Hello, this is Ringkey, the YouTube tech guy. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to add an S Pen holder to any case or even the Fold 3 itself anytime. So this will allow any phone case to hold the S Pen. You have to put it in this kind of position so it's out of the way when you fold it. And there are two options in brands. The first one is a trusted one from Ringkey. Really always love the brand, really good quality. All links will be in the description down below. This one is really nice. The only thing I would say about it though, it's a little bit thicker than I would tend to like. So I did look out for a different one, and this is the Pro Case version. Same kind of thing. Again, both have adhesive in the back. This one is bigger in terms of the actual square, mind you, but it is definitely flatter. So if you are worried about a thicker case, I would probably get this one. If you're just wanting a small little attachment and just honestly, I think it looks nicer, I would go with the Ringkey. So depending on what you want, that's what you get. So I have attached them to my previous cases, but I got two new cases, so I want to always have my S Pen available with me. Now, one thing I learned when attaching these is you don't want to do it too high, because what happens is the pen gets caught more easily. So, because you want to leave a little bit of room, so then it just gets caught more easily on things. So I found either in the middle or the bottom, depending on which one you're using, is a really good place so that it doesn't knock anything over, hit anything when you need it. So for this one, it is a thicker case, so I am worried about that. So I'm gonna go with the Pro Case for that. Just take it off and then put it on. I'm gonna put it a little bit lower on this one. And there you go. That makes this case really good now, because now I have the kickstand built in and I have the S Pen holder. So now you can just attach it right here, and bam, you have everything you need. Just simple and easy. You can take the S Pen with you whenever you go. And the nice part is this does not get in the way of anything when you take the S Pen off. It really doesn't bother you to hold or anything like that, because you're holding it towards the bottom. You never really use that top part. So it's really great and easy, doesn't get in the way of anything, and really a flat design. Now in this case over here, I don't have to worry about thickness too much because I attached a kickstand already. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the Ringkey for this one. And again, you just want to make sure you put it low enough so you have the room. And for those asking, why don't I put it right in the middle or something along those lines? Well, I don't want to do that because I don't want to get in the way of wireless charging. And now, again, really perfect and easy. Simple, easy, doesn't interfere with anything, but it definitely gets the job done. So yeah, that is how you add an S Pen holder to any case you are looking for. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Not only will all the cases you saw here today be in the description, but we'll also add the accessories. But make sure to check out our best accessories for the Fold 3 video coming up soon. Thank you as always for watching. This has been Ringkey, the YouTube tech guy.
Thank you so much again for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Also follow us on social media at YouTube Tech Guy, and check out some more great tech videos on your screen right now.